A quiet cafe, no lecture, no distraction, just me sitting here recording this like it's nothing special, but that's exactly the point. I take a sip of my tea. Simple, normal. If you walked in right now, you wouldn't know. You wouldn't know. I'm a millionaire. No flashy watch, no designer suit, just me, like an ordinary person. And that's the first secret. Wealth doesn't look how you think. Wealth doesn't look how you think. People imagine being rich means supercars and mansions, but real wealth, it's much quieter than this. The difference between you and the millionaire, not the car, not the suit, not the coffee, it's what's happening inside their head while they're drinking it. It's happening inside their head, inside their head. 90% of people fail because they think money will make them feel rich. No, that's a broke mindset. It's a broke mindset. Here's the truth. Wealthy people don't think about being rich. They simply exist in it. It's a truth. It's the truth. It's the real secret. Let's do a quick test. Close your eyes and picture yourself here. Same cafe, and cafe looks the same. Like here, closes still the same. Same tea, but now you make $10,000 a month. What changed? Tea tastes the same, coffee looks the same. I'm sorry. Clothes is still the same, but something shifted inside of you, didn't it? The tiny glimpse of a new reality. Now try this. Grab a cup of tea, coffee or water, or something like this. Sit some here, quiet like here. Before your first sip, imagine you're already a self-made millionaire. Then take that sip and observe your mind. If you do this right and correct, a voice in your head will whisper, wait, that feels normal. And when that happens, your brain has already started rewriting itself. Now, the real question is, if a simple cup of tea shift your mindset, imagine what the next video could do. Let's subscribe. Let's reprogramming your mind for good. Goodbye for now.